back to another video. Freezy M4 here. Let's go ahead and get started. Leg day at the gym today. Daylight savings time today, by the way, guys. Happy extra hour of daylight. All right, guys. We made it to the gym, safe and sound. As always, let's hop out and take a little look. Cleaned up my tire. Brake desk going crazy, as always. But yeah, man, here she is. I'll never get over it, you know? The F82, F80, M3, M4 generation, man, is just nothing like it, in my opinion. Like I've said in other videos, man, I love the G80s, G82s. Something about the F80s, man. But yeah, up in the coming weeks here, I'm going to start modding her up a little bit. I got some plans to get some lower, either some EMD springs so that I can bring that down, you know, a ½ inch or so. Ideally, I want it to come right at the tire. You know, I don't have any rubbing issues at all. And I'm currently running Eibach springs, and the EMD springs will lower it significantly more. I think a ½ inch more on the front and the rear. So I'm either doing that or I'm gonna ball out on some, you know, Olin coilovers or Fortunato coilovers, KWs. I don't really know, but that's my primary, my next mod will be suspension, because I want to get that dialed before I move on to putting on aero, which I'm going to get, I think, a CS style splitter. I got CS style side skirts. I like the aggressive look on the back end, and more of just a sleek look on the front and sides. So that's the goal, man. That's the goal. No plans for modding the engine yet. Like I've said in previous videos, I can pop the hood, but you know, like I've said in previous videos, I got CTS turbo intake, got an MHD tune. Sorry, I actually do have a downpipe, but I guess strictly speaking with the engine bay, you know, just the CTS turbo cold air intake. So yeah, but yeah, man, here she is. If you like the content, if you made it this far, I appreciate you guys as always. Leave a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys want to see next time. You guys want to see some highway poles or whatever. See you guys next time. Peace.